Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Messenger white screen. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So to fix this issue with Messenger, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. So in this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and if you see any button that says update, go ahead and click on the update button, and from then on, wait for it to complete. Now, once the update is complete, you could go ahead and open up Messenger and see if that actually solves the issue. Now, in some cases, that will not solve the issue. So the next thing you want to do is you want to clear your cache. Now, look for the app itself, press and hold on it, and click on App Info. Now, from here at the bottom right, go ahead and click on Clear Data, and click on Clear Cache, and click on OK. So in this case, we just cleared our cache here. So if you're not aware yet, our cache actually contains temporary files, which in this case actually are sometimes causes some issues on our device. So in this case, once you've cleared that, restart your mobile device and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.